Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. I'm Uwe Fechner from aenarete Smart Wind, a startup based at Apollo 14 here in Den Haag. About 1 billion people are without access to electricity. Many of them live in remote villages or in the mountains. Even locations with grid access often have only 3 hours per day electricity. As food, for the matter, even fishermen's catch decay due to lack of stable electricity. Our mission is to provide to all these people clean electricity using small-scale wind drones. Our vision is to supply thousands of wind drones worldwide and to license our technology such as that hundreds of thousands of wind drones can be deployed until 2030 to achieve the sustainability goals of the United Nations. The principle of wind drones is easy to understand, yet has been very challenging to implement. How a wind drone works. At the ground we have the ground station. It has a generator connected to a drum. On the drum is a tether going into the air. In the air is a wing pulling hard on the tether. It flies figures of 8 like a kite surfers do. When we are reeling out, 1.4 kilowatt of electricity is generated. When we reach the maximum tether length, we fly straight back to the point where we started, then we start to reel out again. Also, launch and landing is automated. We succeeded to do that already 1.5 years ago. It uses 6 rotors like a hexacopter for launch and landing, so even if one rotor fails, there's no problem. But we needed free space for operating the system. Our company will be successful, first of all, because we have highly motivated, qualified and diverse team of engineers and business people and advisory support from Gerald van Bussel, head of the Wind Energy Research Group in Delft. I myself have nearly 9 years of experience in airborne wind energy. I did my PhD in airborne wind energy at TU Delft in 2016 and worked already for 3 other startups in the field: Skypool in Switzerland, eKite in the Netherlands, and Kite Power in Delft. We have business people with decades of international sales experience with technical degrees who have worked in startups before. Thus, we have the experience of what can go wrong and how to avoid it. We have built the technology elements with internal funding to finalize our prototype, critically supported with small grants from the aerospace faculty of TU Delft and from Germany. Our technological expertise generated over 130K of revenue last year, which gave us the opportunity to develop a solid sales funnel with committed customers. To reach our delivery goals of 5 commercially sized prototypes this year, we are looking for an investment of 250K. Our product is portable. It can be operated at a lot of open locations. It comes pre-packaged with a battery storage. Our price target is about €4,000 for a system that can harvest in good wind conditions 12 kilowatt hours per day, which is as much as 20 square meters of solar panels. We will have a large impact on the energy transition by paving the way for airborne wind energy, which can accelerate the growth of wind power by a factor of 2. Not all countries have wind as good as the Netherlands. With our system, wind energy becomes an economic option in more countries and at many more locations. For example, Sri Lanka. Conventional wind turbines are feasible only at the coast, whereas our low wind drone will be competitive at nearly half of the island. Our systems shall harvest about 5 gigawatt hours of green energy already until 2023, much more in the years to come. Some of us here can help to accelerate the development by buying prototypes for camping location, musical festivals, or you may lease it to a farmer through us. Thank you very much.